Most people think skipping boiling saves time, but what if I told you it might be killing your lasagna's flavor instead? Let's fix that. Before we dive in, quick heads up. I put together 20 free lasagna recipes for you. Yep, 20. It's linked in my bio. So if you're always chasing that perfect cheese pull, you'll want to grab it. You'll need creamy bechamel, a rich meat sauce, and of course, those mysterious no-boil noodles. We're using mozzarella, parmesan, ricotta. Oh, and one ingredient that totally changes the game. Guess what it is? I'll tell you this, don't even try this recipe without it. In goes tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, and Italian seasoning. Let it simmer like it's got secrets. Next up, bechamel, aka fancy white sauce. Butter, flour, milk, and a sprinkle of nutmeg if you're feeling bougie. Now we stack. Red sauce first. Then the no-boil noodles, dry and unapologetic. Next, white sauce. Mozzarella. Repeat until your soul feels full. By the way, if this layering is giving you ideas, imagine having 19 more versions to play with. Click the link in my bio for a totally free lasagna recipe pack. You're welcome. And now, behold the lasagna of your dreams. The question is, did those noodles actually cook? Fork test? Nailed it. Layers? Cooked through? Flavor? Great. Honestly, you'd never guess those noodles didn't swim in boiling water first. So, time saver or taste killer? Total time-saving hero. And now, you've got no excuse not to try it. So yeah, no-boil noodles? Game changer. But the real glow-up? That recipe pack. 20 free lasagna bangers waiting for you. Just hit the link in my bio and start cooking like a boss.